I'm kind of in charge of creating an environment for my clients that they are dreaming about and wanting and have never had. My inspiration for this home design was obviously the client. He needed to feel that it expressed his personality. One of the top design features of this home is the beautiful staircase. I once saw it at the Guggenheim and I said I have to have that. The other design feature that I really was attracted to was the natural lighting in the house. The tall windows, the skylights. It provided a beautiful setting for everything we were trying to do.
One of the main areas that we're starting to see more skylights in is hallways or top of stairs. This allows for light to evenly travel through multiple floors. It also allows for a safer, brighter, and lighter space. The other room is a bathroom. This allows for a completely private, unobstructed view. It's also perfect to put your makeup on in the morning. And when you add a venting skylight, this allows you to reduce the humidity of your space after those hot showers or those relaxing baths. With a venting skylight, you can add fresh air. You're gonna find that you're gonna be sleeping better. You're gonna feel better. You're gonna be more alert during the day. Overall, it's a healthier environment for you, your kids, and your family.